Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back. Today, let us learn the lesson How much can you carry? Through the story of the clever donkey and his heavy sacks. The clever donkey and his heavy sack. Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on its back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sacks felt very light. Guess why the sacks felt lighter? Yes, the salt in the sacks got dissolved and it felt lighter. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time, Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Next day, Sandesh put sacks of woolen cloth in place of salt. Now, what would happen to donkey when it dipped into the river? Why? Yes, guess. Hmm, the cotton in the sack absorbed water and it became heavier. After the donkey dips in the river, the sacks of woolen cloth become heavy on absorbing water. So the donkey felt heavier. Now, did you understand the difference between lighter and heavier? First, the donkey felt lighter. Why? Because, yes, the salt in the sack got dissolved in the water. That was the reason it felt light. And second time it felt heavier. Why? Because the cotton in the sack absorbed water and it became heavier. The sacks became heavier. See, the moral of the story is you cannot fool one all the time. Now, let us see lighter and heavier. Here we see on the balance ant and an elephant. Ant is lighter than the elephant. Elephant is heavier than the ant. Now, say which object is heavier and which one is lighter. Here we see watermelon and an apple on the either sides of the balance. Now, which is heavier in these two? Yes, watermelon is heavier and apple is light. Watermelon is heavy, that's the reason the balance is bent on one side. Which side it is bent? The side where watermelon is there. Yes. So, watermelon is heavier and apple is lighter than the watermelon. Now, which is lighter and which is heavier? First picture, we see goat and a camel. Now, children, see these two and tell me which is lighter and which is heavier. Goat and camel. Goat is lighter or heavier? Yes, lighter, and camel is heavier than goat. Now, coming to the next one. Here we see pumpkin and tomato. Now tell me, children, which is heavier in this two and which is lighter? Pumpkin is heavier and tomato is lighter. Very good. Coming to the third one. Here we see lizard and a crocodile. Now, which is lighter and which is heavier? Compare the two pictures. Lizard is lighter than the crocodile and crocodile is heavier than the lizard. Coming to the last one. Here we have peacock and cock. Now, see the pictures. Peacock is, which is heavier, which is light? Peacock is heavier than the cock and cock is lighter than the peacock. Very good. Now, worksheet is sent to the WhatsApp group. Complete the worksheet and submit your work to the email ID to a submission of assignments at gmail.com. Thank you, children. Hope you all are safe and fine. See you all some other time. Bye.